Good afternoon, students. I am Sanjay Kamble, Assistant Professor in Department of Accountancy at Dhananjay Rao Gadgil College of Commerce, Satara. In our last lectures, we are studied the meaning and nature of management accounting and role in planning, controlling, and decision making. In our today's lecture, we are going to discuss the difference between financial accounting, cost accounting, and management accounting. Here, first point in financial accounting, it provides the information about the business in a general way, that is, profit and loss account, balance sheet of the business to owners and other outside partners. It means in financial accounting, it reveals the information about the business in general way to owners and outside partners who have invested their financial stake in the business, that is in profit and loss account, balance sheet of the business. In cost accounting, it provides information to management for proper planning, operation, control, and decision making. It means it provides a necessary information to management for planning, controlling, and decision making. In management accounting, the primary objective of management accounting is to provide necessary information to the management in the process of its planning, controlling, and performance evaluation and decision making. It means management accounting helps the management in the planning, controlling, and performance evaluation of the employees and decision making. Second point, it classifies records and analyzes the transactions in a subjective manner, that is, according to the nature of expenses. In financial accounting, the transactions are classified according to the nature of expenses. In cost accounting, it records the expenditure in an objective manner, that is, according to the purpose for which the costs are incurred. In management accounting uses both quantitative and qualitative data. It also uses those data that cannot be measured in terms of money. Third point in financial accounting, it lies emphasis on recording aspects without attaching any importance to control. In cost accounting, it provides a detailed system of control for materials, labors, and overheads costs with the help of standard costing and budgetary control. In management accounting, efficient and effective performance of a concern or business is the primary role of management accounting. Fourth point, it reports operating results and financial position usually at the end of the year. Cost accounting, it gives information through cost reports to the management as and when desired. In management accounting, success of management accounting depends upon sound financial accounting system and cost accounting system of the concern or business. Fifth point, in financial accounting, the users of financial accounting statements are the various stakeholders, that is, shareholders, creditors, financial institutions, banks, government, and its various agencies and regulators. In cost accounting, the users of cost accounting information are generally internal management officials and senior executive of the company. In management accounting is based on the data as received from financial accounting and cost accounting. It means in financial accounting, The financial accounting statements are useful for various stakeholders, that is shareholders, creditors, banks, governments, and its various agencies who have invested their financial stake in the business. In cost accounting data are useful to internal management officials and senior executives of the company for taking various business decisions on various aspects of the business. In management accounting is based on both financial accounting and cost accounting, and according to that data, a management can formulate a future plans and policies and take a correct decisions. Next point 6. Generally, the financial statements are prepared periodically, for example, quarterly, half yearly, and yearly. In cost accounting, the cost reports and statements are prepared as and when required by the management. In management accounting prepares reports exclusively meant for the management. It provides historical and predictive information for future decision making. It means in financial accounting, financial statements are prepared quarterly, half yearly, and yearly. In cost accounting statements are prepared when required by the management or company. In management accounting reports are prepared for management, and it provides past and predictive data for future decision making. Next 7 point, there are standard formats. In financial accounting, there are standard formats used for presentation of financial information, such as profit and loss account, balance sheet, fund flow statement, etc. In cost accounting, there are no such standard formats used for presentation of cost accounting information. In cost accounting, there is no any such standard format are used for presenting the cost accounting data. In management accounting will not provide information in a prescribed formats like that of financial accounting. It provides the information to the management in the form which may be more useful to the management in taking various decisions on the various aspects of the business. Here in management accounting, the data are provided as काय बरं म्हणायचं? अरे, in management accounting, there is no such any prescribed format for presenting the data to the management, but the management accountant provides such information in more useful way to the management for taking various decisions on various aspects of the business. Next, 8 point number 8, in financial accounting, financial accounts are accounts of the whole business. They are independent in nature. It means financial accounts are statements of whole business and they are independent in nature. In cost accounting is only a part of the financial accounts and discloses profit or loss of each product, job, or services. It means cost accounting is a branch of financial accounting and ascertain the profit or loss of each product, job, or services. In management accounting, principle of cost accounting and financial accounting are used in management accounting. It means the management accounting is depend on the both financial accounting and cost accounting, collect the data from financial accounting and cost accounting, and according to that data the management can in management accounting they can take decisions of the business. 9 point financial accounts sorry 9 point in financial accounting, financial accounts records all the commercial transactions of the business and include all expenses, that is manufacturing, office, selling, etc. In financial accounting, all type of transactions are recorded in the books of accounts. In cost accounting relates to transaction connected with manufacturing or of goods and services, means expenses which enter into production. In cost accounting, only manufacturing related expenses are recorded in the books of accounts. In management accounting uses financial accounting data as well as cost accounting data for the purpose of decision making. Last point in financial accounting, 10th point, financial accounting. In financial accounting, financial accounts are concerned with external transactions, that is transaction between business concern and third party. Financial accounting records transactions between business and other parties. In cost accounting, cost accounts are concerned with internal transactions which do not involve any cash payment or cash receipt. In cost accounting, only internal transactions are recorded. It does not involve cash payment or cash receipt. In management accounting concerned with the financial accounting and cost accounting and formulate future policies of the business according to the data collected from financial accounts and cost accounts. Okay, thank you. In our today's lecture we are studied the difference between financial accounting, cost accounting and management accounting. In our next lecture we are start our new unit number second, analysis of financial statements. Thank you very much.